Hello, my name is Janice, and today we are going to talk about how you can save your marriage. Most marriages today are broken because of situations that can be dealt with if spouses are taking the time to assess themselves and be aware that they have gone out of sync since the honeymoon stages are over. The divorce rate is climbing because it seems as if it is the final solution to any problem arises in a marriage. When two people marry, they become one unit, and in that case, they share all the decision-making for that household. Disagreements are going to be a part of a marriage, but one has to know how to get over these hurdles. Understanding, fairness, being kind, gentle, and empathy, just to name a few, can help. These positive characteristics are there from the beginning, and most of them were shown at the beginning stages of dating and in the honeymoon phases. Midway in the marriage, these attributes flew out the window and all the negatives start to pile up. Divorce can be a painful situation, especially when children are involved. They tend to be the ones who hurt most in the process. Family members as well, who were there to give you their love and blessings, now becomes unhappy from all this pain and hurt their loved ones are going through. Sometimes I wonder why people pay for these expensive weddings, and then in a short time, they are running to get a divorce. I believe that you should try to fix your marriage before giving up at all. I think people are too quick to give a lawyer their money for a divorce, and not spending enough time to try to make it work. By the way, did you know these divorce lawyers are getting rich off of you? I am not against lawyers, but all I'm saying here is that should be the very last process after trying very hard to make it work. Do all you can do to make your marriage work. If it still fails to work out, then so be it. I think there was a movie once named "It Is Cheaper to Keep Her," or so the saying goes. If you take a look at all the assets you and your spouse accumulate while you're together, then being on your own, and I don't mean to say that there are not some wealthy single ladies and gents out there, but you can see the power of strength and wealth when together. There are some people who get hurt in the process of a divorce, such as you, your spouse, children, family members, friends. School-aged kids can become academically poor performers in school, behavior problems, acting up at school, etc. Friends and co-workers may no longer look up to you or respect you. Splitting of property makes you become poorer than when you are both together. Another out-of-pocket expense, for those who can afford it, is counseling sessions you have to pay for after the divorce leaves you in pain and anguish. You feel lesser of yourself when going through a separation. Therefore loss of self-worth, hence lower self-esteem, such as do things you would not normally do, lowering your standards, settling for less. Some people become suicidal, have no need to go on, thinks no one else will marry you. The way to move forward and save your marriage is to get counseling. Follow what the counselor asks you to do, to the best of your ability. You can also sit as adults and have communication about the problems you're having, and be honest with each other. Forgive each other, as well as get back to the honeymoon stages of your marriage, and try to keep your marriage there for as long as you can. You see, this is why men cheat, because they want to keep reliving the honeymoon stages of their life, but that's for another topic. Or you can get an ebook, which is a one-off low cost with tips and tricks to spice up your marriage, but at the end of the day, you will be saving more money in your pocket than dishing out a chunk to lawyers. Sometimes you simply lost your way by being clouded with all the stress and pressure of being married, being the perfect person for your spouse, taking care of the children, etc. If you don't know how to manage and cope with all the things involved in a union, you can lose track, but it is easier to get expert advice to make it work than to think of a divorce that will cost you lots and put you in agony and pain. For more information on how to get help on your marriage, click the link in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and bye for now.